Chapter 10 Internet. Internet is a worldwide network of computers which allows sharing of information. In this network, the computers are connected through cables or any other devices. The Internet connects millions of computers around the world. Thus, Internet is a global network or a worldwide network. It is the storehouse of information. Computers which are connected through the Internet exchange information with one another. Billions of people around the world use a variety of services on the Internet with the help of mobile and computer. Internet can be accessed from anywhere at any place in the world. Uses of Internet. Internet is used by many people for many purposes. Some of the uses of Internet are information. We can find information about each and everything on the Internet. It is an important tool of research. Email. For sending and receiving messages or letters, we use electronic mail. It helps us to exchange messages with people around the world. Using email, we can send and receive instant replies at a very fast speed. Email account can be created on Gmail, Ymail, Hotmail, etc. Social networking. It helps people to become social by sharing their personal and professional interests. The members can connect with each other as friends, family members, friends of friends, and so on. Some of the social networking sites commonly used are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, etc. Playing games. A wide range of games are available on Internet, which you can play online and also download on your computer. Online shopping. One can sell and purchase products on Internet by sitting at their place. The payment can be done using the credit or debit card on the Internet. Some of the online shopping sites are Amazon, Jabong, Myntra, etc. Advertisement. Many companies advertise by giving information about their company and their products if they have their websites on the Internet. Chatting. Using the Internet, we can easily exchange messages with one another. A message once sent instantly appears on other person's device. Watching movies and listening to music. We can watch movies easily on the Internet and listen to our favorite music anytime, whenever we want. We can share videos also on Internet. For example, YouTube can be used to watch movies. FactBit. Hotspot is a wireless network which provides Internet connections to the mobile devices. Requirements for Internet connection. Certain basic requirements which are necessary for the Internet connection are a computer. A computer or mobile device is necessary for using the Internet. A modem. It is a small box-like device which helps in sending and receiving the data between computers. It allows the computer to transfer the data over the telephone lines. A modem can be both internal and external of the computer. Telephone line. For connecting the computers and transferring data from one computer to another, telephone lines are needed. The computer and modem are connected to each other through telephone line. An Internet connection. Different companies known as Internet service providers provide Internet connection. These companies help us to use Internet for a monthly charge. Some of the ISPs in India are BSNL, VSNL, Airtel, Reliance Jio, and many more. Web browser. Web browser is a software required for opening a website. Some of the commonly used web browsers are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, etc. FactBit. Microsoft Edge is the default browser of Windows 10. Terms related to Internet. World Wide Web. One of the services available on the Internet is World Wide Web. It consists of lots of information in the form of text, pictures, and sound in the electronic form. Web page. A web page is in the form of text, pictures, or sound. It is a single page which consists of information on the World Wide Web. Website. It refers to the collection of web pages which are related to the same topic. Home page. The first page which appears on opening the web browser is the home page. It refers to the intended beginning web page of website. This is the page which links all other pages on the website. URL. It is a short form of Uniform Resource Locator. Every page has unique address which is called URL. URL is also known as web address. The URL must be given for opening any page. For example, URL for Google is https://www.google.com/. Net surfing. It refers to moving from one website to another on the internet. FactBit. Larry Page and Sergey Brin are the founders of Google. Connecting to Internet. The following steps should be followed for connecting to the Internet. Step 1. Switch on the modem. Step 2. Double-click on the dial-up connection icon on the desktop. Step 3. Provide the username and password in the dialog box which appears and click on the dial button. Step 4. In case of broadband connection, you do not need to enter the username and password. Step 5. The dialers dial the internet service provider which connects to the internet. Step 6. Once the internet connection is established, Internet Connected icon appears on right-hand corner of the taskbar on the desktop. Browsing on the Internet. A browser is a program on your computer that enables you to search, surf, and retrieve information on the World Wide Web (WWW), which is a part of the Internet. The web is simply a large number of computers linked together in a global network that can be accessed using an address that is URL. Browsing is the act of looking through a set of information quickly without a specific sense of purpose. In the context of the Internet, it usually refers to using the World Wide Web. Step 1. Open the Start menu. Step 2. Click on a web browser like Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. You can open a browser by double-clicking on it. Step 3. Type the URL of the website in the address box and press Enter key once. The website opens up, displaying its home page. Step 4. You can type some words related to information which you want to search for. Then press the Enter key. The search engine opens up a page which consists of links related to the information typed by you in the search box. Step 5. To open the web page, click on the most suitable option which you like. Tips to search on web. Follow these tips to make your search easy and specific. Use quotes to search for an exact phrase. If you search a phrase in quotes, it will yield only pages with the same words in the same order as what is in the quotes. It is one of the most vital search tips, especially useful if you are trying to find results containing a specific phrase. For example, if you search for a phrase White House, it will list the websites which contains this phrase as it is or to the closest proximity. Use the minus sign to eliminate results containing certain words. If you wish to exclude something from the search, then use minus sign before the word. For example, if you want to search for wild animals except tiger, then you should type wild animals minus tiger. Use the plus sign to search results containing certain words. If you wish to add certain words in your search, then add plus sign before that word. For example, festivals plus Holi. Search images using images. If you wish to search for images of a particular thing, just type in the search box and click on Images. It will show you all the images related to the typed word. Be specific. Use specific words to narrow down your search. For example, if you want to search for ice hockey, then instead of typing hockey, you should type ice hockey. FactBit. All Apple devices have an inbuilt web browser which is known as Safari. Lesson sum up. Internet is the network which connects computers around the world. Internet is used for different purposes like chatting, searching information, sending and receiving messages, listening to music, playing games, social networking, etc. For connecting internet to computer, some basic elements are required. Computer system, modem, telephone line, internet connection are the requirements for establishing an internet connection. Web browser is used for browsing the internet. We need to have an internet connection from an internet service provider for browsing the internet.